Welcome to English and Haitian course by Jude Angus. Bienvenue dans cours anglais ak haïtien de Jude Angus. Lesson 30. Leçon 30. Today it is very hot. Li fait chaud en pile jodi a. Li fait chaud en pile jodi a. Today it is very hot. Please show me this one. Tant pis, montrez-moi ça. Tant pis, montrez-moi ça. Please show me this one. Yesterday, I caught a cold. Hier, mwen pran yon grippe. Hier, mwen pran yon grippe. Yesterday, I caught a cold. I get headaches regularly. Mwen toujou gen tèt fè mal. Mwen toujou gen tèt fè mal. I get headaches regularly. What is that? Ki sa ye? Ki sa ye? What is that? Please subscribe and like this video. Tant pis, abonnez et puis like vidéo.